Hello my dear students, I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to discuss plants in plains. Okay, we are discussing chapter 2, that is plants living and surviving. Under the 5 major group, okay, terrestrial plants has been divided into 5 major group, and out of those 5 we are going to discuss only one topic today, that is plants in plains. That means plants that are growing in a plain and flat regions. Okay, in these regions, two types of trees are found. First is deciduous trees and second is evergreen trees. Deciduous trees are those trees that shed their leaves in a specific time, that is before the winter in autumn season. Okay, and the evergreen trees do not shed their leaves. Now what happened and why they don't shed, let's discuss. First we are going to discuss about the deciduous plants. What type of climate they found? Generally what trees we are seeing, like banyan trees and gulmohar trees, okay, neem trees, mango trees, these are the deciduous trees, and we used to see before the winter season they used to shed the leaves. Okay, and they are having a lot of branches, and over the branches a lot of leaves are also there. If you will observe, deciduous trees are having the broad leaf. Why? So that they can trap the maximum amount of sunlight and they can do the photosynthesis in the summer season. If you will observe, they are having the different type of atmosphere in a different type of season. We are having this different type of season, and every season is remain for a 4 month, and after every 4 months the climate and the atmosphere of our surrounding keeps on changing, and plants also have to adapt according to the changing environment or climate. Okay, and that's why they have to shed the leaf in the winter season. Why? I will discuss it later. Okay, first of all let's discuss in the summer season how they used to survive. In the summer season the plants have to maintain the low temperature of their body. Why? Because the atmosphere is very hot. So in the summer season what they do, they used to transpirate means they used to remove the extra water through the stomata, so that they can cool down their body. Okay, we all have discussed the transpiration in the first chapter. Transpiration is that process in which the excess water is released out from the plant, just like the human being. In the summer season human being used to sweat. Why? Because we have to maintain the lower body temperature, and in the winter season already the atmosphere is very cold, we don't have to maintain the lower body temperature, and that's why we don't used to sweat. The same thing happens in the trees also. In the summer season they have to maintain the low body temperature, and for that they have to remove the excess water with through the stomata. And this is the time period also when they get the maximum amount of sunlight. Okay, and their broad and big leaves help them to do the more photosynthesis, and this time they used to store more food in their different body parts, which is used in that time when they used to shed the leaves. Now let's discuss why they used to shed the leaves before the winter season. Because first of all, if their leaf will be there, they will do the transpiration obviously. Okay, and that is not good for the winter season. Secondly, what happened, in the winter season they don't get the very strong sunlight, and they don't perform a lot of photosynthesis. According to that, as compared to the photosynthesis, they have to do a lot of work, which is actually in that process they are losing a lot of energy. To save from these problems they used to shed their leaves. Okay, and whatever food is stored in their body they use that. Okay, because if the leaf will not be there, they will obviously not do the photosynthesis, then how they will survive? So whatever food they have prepared before the autumn season they use to survive for 2 or 3 months with the help of that stored food. And again in the spring season, okay, the leaves start growing again. Examples are maple, oak, birch. Okay, and the common example that I have already discussed, banyan tree, neem tree, mango trees, and so on. Okay, gulmohar is one of the beautiful example of deciduous trees. Now next we are going to discuss is evergreen trees. Evergreen trees do not shed their leaves together. Okay, that means what I am saying, they do not shed their leaves together. Obviously they used to shed the leaves, but over a long period of time, like 1 year or after 1 year or 2 years. Okay, how they used to maintain these time period for having the same leaf, because their season is not keep on changing. Evergreen plants are growing in those areas, okay, which is having a lot of rainfall, and throughout the year the season, the climate of that place is same. They don't have to modify, or they don't have to bring the changes according to the season, because throughout the year the climate is same. So they do not get the summer season and winter season, and they do not have to bring the changes again and again. And this is the reason they do not shed their leaves. Why they will shed? Because there is not a winter season. They shed, the plants used to shed the leaves in the winter season, but in the area where the evergreen plants are growing, there is no winter season, there is no cold climate. Okay, so what happened, they don't have to shed their leaves. Obviously after a long period of time, the function of the leaf keeps on slowing. Okay, and after a fixed period of time, their leaf also turn yellow. Okay, why? Because if they are not making the food, okay, their chlorophyll start disappearing, and the other pigment which is present in the leaf start appearing. That is the other concept. Okay, so that's why they do not shed their leaves, and known as evergreen plants. Okay, what are the example? Rubber, okay, and teak tree, tamarind tree, and the pepper trees. These are known as evergreen trees, and if you will observe, these are growing in those area which is having a lot of rainfall or the water. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much for watching.